Hi. What did you buy? Thank you. Huh? Can you pass me the cookie?
No. Ay, maulunan to di karuga. May payong ako di. Dali, arapit na lang. Ara na oh. Paarte pa ko sa kanya, kumpot. Salaan to di karuwalawa. Piniklod, talaka. No guys, sinaplos ko siya, okay? Hello, nasira ko. Feeling ko vlogger na. Because guys, you know, it feels so good to be living in Iloilo because, you know, we have this beautiful city of love. Why are you reading my mouth, bro? Why are you... Oh, pwede ka drive the guys. MJ Driving School. You know, ang mahal talaga mag-drive. Like, we inquired one, and to drive a manual, it's like 4,000 pesos. Why are you mouthing my words? Oh my God, ganun ba? Oh my God, driving. Oh, eh. Oh. So, hi guys! You cannot go there. Like, you cannot get wrong with the Iloilo City because it's so walkable. And there's so many...